20,000 rupees cordless vacuum versus 50,000 rupees cordless vacuum. Which gives better value for money? Let's take a look. Let's start with the attachments. The number of attachments is somewhat similar. Nuuk has an extra curtain cleaning attachment and some additional dusting attachments, which Dyson does not. But the attachments are good enough in both the cases, so I would rate them 1-1 for the uses that they cover. Next is the upholstery cleaning. Both have motorized upholstery cleaning attachments, which clean sofas and mattresses really well. So again, I would rank them 1-1. So the total score now is 2-2. Both have adaptive suction, so they adjust the suction power based on the amount and size of dust that they are collecting. But as they are doing this, Nuuk drains more battery in higher suction than Dyson. I can see this while cleaning the seat of the chair. The battery drains quickly from 83% to 77% in less than a minute, while Dyson just drops by a minute, which is less than 3% of its battery capacity. Nuuk also takes longer to charge from 0 to 100% compared to Dyson, so Dyson gets an extra point here. Next is the floor cleaning. Both do a really good job of cleaning particles of various different sizes. I spilled some tea leaves, some dal, some millets for them to collect. Good job by both vacuums. So the total score now is 3-4. Talking about floor cleaning, Nuuk has a flexi stick attachment which can be bent by 90 degrees for the vacuum cleaner to go under low-lying furniture with ease without us bending, which is very convenient. Dyson, even the newer models of Dyson, do not have this flexibility. So +1 for Nuuk. Now let's talk about the weight of the vacuum. Without the attachments, Dyson is about 200 grams lighter than Nuuk. The Nuuk attachments are generally heavier than the Dyson attachments. For example, the vacuum with floor cleaning attachments of Nuuk were much heavier than that of Dyson. So +1 here for Dyson. Next, the build quality. Obviously, at that price point, the Dyson looks and feels a lot more premium. The Nuuk vacuum cleaner body is sturdy, but it does look a little bit plasticky. So +1 for Dyson here. Lastly, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the pricing. Nuuk is priced at around 20,000, while Dyson V12, which is this model, is priced at about 47,500 at the moment. The latest version of Dyson is at 63,900. So from a price to value point of view, Nuuk does a lot better. In my opinion, the main area where Nuuk does not fare well is the battery capacity compared to Dyson. But the battery is removable. Purchasing an extra battery at about 4,500 will still make it more value for money for the budget conscious. On the other hand, most people who buy the Dyson don't buy it just for the product features. It is a decision they can make without stressing too much. Quality, superiority, and design is a given. More often than not, it's also a status cue. So which bucket do you fall under? Price to value or stress-free decision making? Drop me a comment. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 1.9 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.